Hello and welcome to Smitty's. I am a wood cutting fanatic who loves to run a chainsaw. I run alcohol chainsaws, ported chainsaws, I race chainsaws, and I even run the occasional vintage. Now remember, I cannot do this without you. You're everything to the channel, so please remember, subscribe, give that thumbs up, leave that comment. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun.
So how you doing? Hey, we're down here at the log pile today. That is my brother's Husqvarna 371 that I rebuilt. We're gonna fire it up and we're gonna work on this log pile bit. A lot of this stuff is softwood. I'm probably gonna cut a chunk of this softwood up. I shouldn't say softwood, it's poplar. So it's not really a hard wooded, but it's not softwood like pine and stuff. But it's not a great firewood. But I'm still gonna turn it into firewood, some of it. It'll be the wood that I burn in like the spring and fall when I don't need a whole lot of heat. You know what I mean? So it'll, or even campfire wood or something. But I'll take care of the sorting of it later when I'm stacking. But we're gonna get in here. We're gonna run this 371 and cut up some firewood. We're just working to break it in. Anything, you know, hopefully no issues turn up. But, you know, a little more tuning, a little more break-in time. And let's see how this 371 runs. It's not ported at all. It is strictly a base gasket delete build. No muffler mod, no nothing. So let's check it out. Well, there we go. A little bit more time on the 371. I'm not having any issues. When I first started it, I had to fatten up the low circuit. It's been a little lean, so I went ahead and fattened it up a good 1/8 of a turn or so. So it should be a lot better now, especially on cold starts. But anyway, I'm not having any issues. The saw's running perfect. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this little one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.